Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete direct messages on Slack. To get started, open Slack and make sure you are on the main home screen of your workspace. This is the area where you can access your conversations, channels, and notifications. If you are already signed in, you should be able to see the left-hand sidebar, which is where Slack organizes most of your communication tools. From there, look for the Direct Messages section in the sidebar. This is where Slack keeps your one-on-one conversations and group direct messages. If your sidebar is busy or collapsed, take a moment to scan through it carefully so you can find the correct section. Direct messages are separate from channels, so be sure you are in the right place before moving forward. Once you've found direct messages, select the conversation that contains the message you want to remove. In this example, you'll open a sample message or conversation. Clicking into the conversation will display the message history in the main panel, allowing you to locate the exact message you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check that you've chosen the correct conversation, especially if you have several similar chats open in Slack. Next, move your cursor over the message you want to delete. When you hover over the message, Slack will reveal additional actions. Look for the three-dot menu associated with that message. This menu is often used to access more options that are not shown by default. Click the three dots to open the message action menu. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Delete Message. Click that option to begin removing the message. Depending on your Slack settings, you may see a confirmation prompt before the deletion is completed. If that happens, simply review the prompt and confirm that you want to delete the message. Keep in mind that deleting a message in Slack is usually permanent, so it's worth taking a second to make sure you are deleting the right one. Also, the ability to delete messages can depend on your workspace permissions, so if you do not see the delete option, your account may not have access to that action. And that's all it takes to delete a direct message on Slack. Once you've done it a few times, the process becomes very quick and easy.